Hallo miteinander, da ist Exodus 19 und herzlich willkommen zurück zu Let's Play The Walking Dead. Das letzte Mal sind wir ja gerade haben wir Clementine gesucht, haben sie gefunden, sie war irgendwie in einem Schuppen und hat etwas gefunden. Wir werden jetzt gerade sehen, was das war. Was wir auch noch entdeckt haben das letzte Mal ist eine andere Gruppe in einem Luftschutzbunker mit extrem viel zu essen und einem Arzt. Und ja, der Arzt ist mitgekommen und hat den Omid ein bisschen verarztet. Oder er ist dran. Wir schauen jetzt, was hat Clemmy gefunden. Etwas hure Geiles anscheinend. Yes! Kenny! Got a surprise for ya. Wow!
I know, right?
Herrlich, Clemmy. You're a good girl. Look at that, Ken. Stop drinking. Yes. Nice. Ein Hoffnungsschimmer, Leute. Ein Hoffnungsschimmer. Ich hoffe, Crawford hat jetzt nicht gerade beobachtet, was wir dort rausgezogen haben und wollen den Motor holen. Hey, müssen wir dich noch zurückbringen, Typ?
Omid's doing okay?
Ja, jetzt ist mal Omid fragen.
Expected under the circumstances. I did what I could for him. Cleaned out the wound, but he's got a real infection.
Oh,
And
hat
a
ja.
fever. Without antibiotics,
Will you quit pacing? You're making everyone nervous.
Why are you even still here?
Ja,
Hey,
voll.
if your friend really
Wieso
can
bist du
get
nicht
that
da?
boat working, you're taking me with you as payment for saving your asses. I figure that's fair enough, don't you?
Ja, voll. Ken?
Well,
You want the good news or the bad news?
Wahrscheinlich haben wir kein Benzin. Bad news.
let's get the bad news out of the way first.
Bad news is, she's not taking us anywhere the shape she's in right now. Gas tank's empty and the battery's dead.
Okay.
What's the good news?
That's it. That's all she needs.
Full
Gas
gas,
and
yeah.
battery. Other than that, she's good to go.
Well, how are we supposed to get that stuff?
What about Crawford? Ich weiß, uns zieht
Sounds like
her.
Crawford is the
Ich
one
meine,
place that has everything we need. Maybe we should try there.
Surely we have to try. If there are people left in this city who are still alive, who still have supplies, what harm can it do to ask?
ja.
you don't know these people. I do. You showing up with a wounded man, might as well put a noose around his neck. They don't exactly welcome children with open arms either.
What the hell kind of a place are we talking about here?
Aber
The
ein
worst
Überplatz.
kind? But I don't see what other choice we have.
And just how exactly do you figure we do this?
Kenny, raus
Because
ausgeschlafen.
from what I've heard, that place ain't exactly friendly to
We
outsiders.
sneak
That's
in.
putting it mildly.
There's got to be some way we can sneak in there undetected.
Weil,
There might actually be a way. I know the sewer system that runs through
Genau,
Crawford
genau.
like the back of my hand.
an das habe ich
Y'all wouldn't
gedacht.
happen to have a map by any chance.
Erstens,
Actually,
Kanalisation. Zweitens sind wir eindeutig in der Unterzahl und wir haben Leute, die
I
älter
think I
sind und
could
nicht
lead
fit
us
sind.
through
oder?
so we could pass under the perimeter and right into the center where they keep their supplies. We come up right underneath them, take them by surprise, grab what we need, and
Yep.
get out before they even knew what hit them.
That's actually not the worst idea I've ever heard. I mean, it's close, but I don't know. Maybe it could work.
I've thought about it before, just never had the people to do it. But I think if we all work together,
man.
we could pull it off.
Das wäre
What do you
nicht
want in
schlecht.
return for all this help you're giving us?
Crawford doesn't just have what you need for your boat. They're also well stocked with medical supplies. Medicine that my people could use, just as yours could.
We can do this. We have to.
So, it's decided then? We're going to Crawford?
anyone else have a problem with this plan?
Ja, also ich
Because
habe
we're
etwa
gonna
das
need
Problem.
every one of us to pull this off.
Man, I don't know.
Komm
I don't know
du.
about you, kid, but I'd rather take a chance on doing something than just sitting around here waiting to die. That boat out there is an answered prayer. Just gotta push a little bit farther. Are you in or out?
You're out. Bleib du
We
da.
should go tonight, under cover of dark. I'll go let my people know. Give you all a chance to prepare. I'll be back before midnight.
Be
Okay.
careful.
That's how I'm still alive.
Ja. Bis
Stain
vorsichtig.
your wound. How long have you been there?
Ja,
Is it going to be dangerous?
Is what gonna be dangerous?
es wird gefährlich, ja.
Crawford,
Oh ja.
I can't lie to you, Clem. Yeah, it's gonna be dangerous. But it's the only way to get the things we need to make Omi better
Ja.
and get the boat working. That's why we have to do this. Do you understand?
I don't want anyone else to die.
Ja, ich auch nicht. Das will ich auch nicht. Eben.
Neither do I, Clem, but sometimes we have to take that kind of risk.
I guess I should go get ready.
Say what
Was?
now?
You said you'd need all of us to do this. And you said I'm a big help, remember?
Oh shit.
Molly said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people. That means it must be
Sie
where
hat
my mom
gesagt,
and dad
okay,
are,
dann muss ich mich
right?
mal parat machen, weil du hast gesagt, ich bin eine grosse Hilfe. Es ist
We're
gefährlich
outgoing,
für
it's just too
Kinder.
dangerous. For children especially.
You said I'm supposed to always stay close to you.
Ah, fuck.
Can't I come with you?
Also komm, kommst halt mit, es wird gefährlich, aber Gottverdammt, bleib bei mir. Nicht beim Ben.
Okay, you can come. But you have to promise to stay quiet and do exactly what you're told the whole time we're
Yep.
there.
Okay.
Die anderen werden
I'm gonna
nicht
go get
froh sein
ready.
mit mir. Ganz sicher nicht, aber... Lieber da, lieber bei mir, als da im Haus lassen. Falls etwas passiert. Sie kommt mit uns. Wir müssen gar nicht dumm tun. Ich kann mir vorstellen, wie es blöd schaut.
Check out what I found in the garage. Hatchet, hacksaw, some other tools. Might come in handy on this little break-in.
Aha.
Nice.
Can I talk to you a minute?
Yep.
What's up?
I took another look at the boat. She's a 30-footer.
So?
Das heißt...
So, we're gonna have a capacity problem. Boat that size ain't gonna hold more than 5 people.
Oh.
Even with one of them a kid.
Me, you, Clem, Krista, Omi, Ben, Holland.
Assuming everyone makes it back alive, that's still one too many. Even if we cut Molly loose. Before this is over, we're gonna have to make a decision.
Also wir müssen jemanden zurücklassen, eventuell, wenn alle überleben.
If we want the best chance of... Who the hell is this?
This is Bree. She can help us.
Alright. The more the better.
We're gonna need all the help we can get.
I was a student
Ah,
at the
ich habe
school
jetzt
where
auf
Crawford
ihre,
keeps their supplies.
auf ihre
I
Fülligkeit
know the
bezogen, aber ist ein bisschen
Then what are we
gemein.
waiting for? Let's get moving.
Gut, einerseits es ist Sneak-In, weißt du, wenn wir einbrechen und the more the better
Hold
ist
up
eigentlich
just a sec.
scheiße.
You ready?
Ready.
Hey, whoa, hold on a minute. You're not taking her with us. Did
Oh,
you not
doch.
hear anything I said about the kind of place Crawford is? If you
Ist
take her
nicht zu
in there
diskutieren.
and they find her,
This isn't up for debate, Vernon. Decision's made.
For what it's worth, I don't think it's a great idea either.
Ich denke auch
She's
nicht.
coming. Deal with it.
You
Yep.
heard the man. Let's move out.
Ich lasse sie nicht da. Nicht, wenn sie irgendwie da jemanden hat. Danke, Ben. Wenn sie da jemanden hat, wo sie im Gespräch ist und sie will sozusagen, oder? Sie will entführen oder aufziehen oder was weiß ich, was von ihr wollen. Ich sage jetzt
This
sicher immer
should be
Sachen
it.
nicht.
We're right underneath the center of Crawford. The old school should be directly above us.
Okay, people. This is it.
Das Schulgebäude.
Remember the plan.
Ah,
We stay quiet, we stay hidden, and we stay together. We find what we need, and we get the hell out before anyone even knows we're there. Got it?
yes.
And that part about staying close, that goes double for you.
Hast du mich gehört, Clemmy? Ah, ich weiss, es wird Ärger geben, aber... Man. Ich will sie bei mir haben. Easy, easy,
Let's go.
easy. Ein Eispickel. Ich will einen. Holt den Eispickel ein, ich habe einen
Where's
dabei.
everybody? There should be guards patrolling.
Wachen
You
sollten
disappointed?
patrouillieren.
It's just strange is all.
Das ist komisch.
Over there by the door.
Okay. Me and Kenny will sneak out, try to take him out quiet. The rest of you wait for our signal, then follow us over. Everybody got it? Okay, Kenny, let's do this quiet. Shoot him, unless there's no other choice.
Right behind you.
Schau aber ja rechts und links, gell? Irgendwo einer ist. Der sieht recht tot aus, hey.
What the fuck?
Yep. Die hat's verwünscht. Crawford ist tot. Oder? Also. Oder nicht ganz vielleicht. Also, vielleicht ist nur noch die Elite da, aber es hat sie eindeutig verwünscht.
What the fuck is a walker doing inside here?
Ja.
Get inside, fast!
Schnell, schnell, schnell. In die alte Schule. Das hat sie auch noch verwünscht, hä? Gesund, männlich und gross sind sie gsi, stark und schön. Ja. Einer ist gebissen worden, einer ist gestorben, was auch immer. Alle weg. Oh yeah, Horror und Schule.
Fuck! Do you think they saw us?
Ich denke schon, ja. Georgia's Last City.
What the hell happened here?
Jetzt habe ich sich ein bisschen
supposed
verschreckt,
to be
Clementine.
secure.
Oh, oh.
What always happens, I guess. In the end, the dead always win.
Oh man, we are so screwed.
No, this is good.
Wieso ist das gut? Ja, sag.
What? How the fuck is
Ja
this
gut,
good?
gesünder wäre es noch schlimmer, ja.
Before, everyone in Crawford was smart and they had guns.
Ja.
Now they're dumb, they don't. Hey, trying to look on the bright side here.
Das stimmt. Du hast recht.
I agree. So long as we don't let them box us in, we can still do this. The plan hasn't changed.
The plan hasn't changed? Every time walkers show up, the plan changes. Do you even have any idea how many of them are out there?
No. You want to do a head count? Or do you want to get what we need and get the hell out of here?
Wir sammeln alles zusammen.
Come on.
und gehen
I think
raus.
I know which way to head.
Okay, ja. Sie weiß, wo
I
du
got a
anscheinend.
bad feeling about this.
Und ich habe ein bad feeling about you. Du wirst uns noch Abgrund stürzen. SX. Ich denke, es hat nicht umsonst das X dort, hä? Es tönt auch ziemlich lebendig dort.
Just keep moving.
Here.
Ja, sure. Aha, ja, gut. Ist gleich eine andere Tür.
Looks okay. Everybody in.
Gut. Wo sind wir jetzt? In der Kantine oder so? In einem Schulzimmer? Mhm. Okay. And now... Armory.
Figures.
Okay, also... Da haben sie ihre Pläne gemacht.
Looks like they were using this room as some kind of command center.
Group D.
Okay, so now what? Where do we start looking?
Ich glaube, das ist ein Platz von Savannah. Und da haben sie die Häuser gecheckt halt. Und
Hier.
von dem kommt auch die Zeichen an den Türen. Oder?
Just give me a sec.
Motorpool. Battery?
Any idea where we could find a battery?
Zuerst schaue ich für uns.
Maybe at the auto shop. There used to be one in the alley outside the fire escape.
Yep, it's called Herman's. You can't miss it.
Okay. Benzin.
Where would be the best place to look for medicine?
Ich denke, Benzin finden wir auch
Right
dort.
here. Nurse's station. They were using it as a
Gerade
medical
nebendran.
facility.
Ich hoffe,
do
wir
you
müssen
know
uns
that?
nicht entscheiden, entweder oder, weil
Just makes sense, doesn't it?
wenn wir noch etwas holen können,
What about the fuel? Where should I start looking?
gehst du das Fuel
There's a
holen.
maintenance shed across from the playground here. If they were
Okay.
storing fuel, that's probably where it'll be.
Hey, was ich will sagen, wenn wir
I'll
nur
make a
2
run to the
Sachen können
maintenance
holen
shed for the fuel.
It'll be faster
Dann ist
if I go
Batterie und
with you.
Benzin.
I can take you right to it.
I'll
und
come too.
Miet,
No,
muss
two
dann
people's
leider
enough.
sterben,
You stay
scheiße.
here, see if you can use any of those tools we brought to
Scheissdreck.
get that armory door open. We might need to shoot our way out of here.
I'll go for the medicine.
I'll come with you. I know what to take.
Was mache ich?
Okay. Guess that leaves me to go find us a battery.
I'll go
Alright.
with you. Watch your back.
Clem, du
Okay,
kommst
we've
auch mit
got
uns.
a plan. Everyone be careful. Stay close to one another. We'll all meet back here.
Wo ist
Good
Clem?
luck.
Dort ist Clemmy.
What about me? What can I do?
Du kommst mit. Wehe, du sagst, sie
I need
bleibt
you
da.
to stay here with Ben and watch over
Nein.
the command center. I'm
Nein!
putting you in charge of it, okay?
Nein!
You're leaving me with Ben?
I'm not leaving you with Ben. I'm leaving him with you.
Oh, okay.
Back
Wir
before
lassen
you
den Ben mit ihr und nicht sie mit dem Ben. So. Ich finde es eine geschissene Idee. Lee, hast du nichts gelernt? Hä? Gut. Leute, wir machen das nächste Mal weiter. Probieren die Batterie zu finden fürs Boot, während die anderen sich auch aufgeteilt haben und wir einfach alles Mögliche probieren zu suchen. Ben und Clementine bleiben da in der Kommandozentrale, wo natürlich jeden Moment könnten Leute zurückkommen, die irgendwo da sind, am Häuser erforschen. Scheiß Idee, aber ich kann nichts machen. Wir sehen uns das nächste Mal. Peace.